What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be working on the 2-liter Golf engine. I have several parts painted and ready for reassembly. I also have the gasket kit, and I'm going to go ahead and assemble the engine as much as I can. I'll also be going over the head bolt tightening sequence with you as well. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so I did go to the parts yard. I did get a new oil pan baffle. Well, not new, but it looks new. The other one was messed up, so I went ahead and replaced it. It was like warped and stuff. So anyways, I went ahead and got another one. I did get the oil pan painted, and I will get it on. It doesn't take very much of this ultra gray in order to do this with, especially with a gasket. Okay, so now that I got that back on, kind of see what it looks like upside down. I'll go ahead and I'll flip it over right here. Hopefully I got enough to do this with. Okay, we're gonna try this. Now, this is the used one that came off of here. Now that we got this on here, we can get this tightened down real quick. And we can see what she looks like. And hopefully it will seal up like it's supposed to. If not, if there's any leaks or anything, I guess I'll just have to redo it. Have to order a new gasket. But anyways, I'm hoping that this will be okay. Okay. Alright, so now we got two parts on. Okay, so now as far as the water pump goes, I'm probably going to go ahead and use the water pump that came out of this because it looked new. I still need to get the timing belt tensioner, so it's going to be a little bit on that. But the next thing I'll end up doing is I'll put the head on. Out there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the thermostat in there, and I'm going to put the water outlet on. Alright, so far I think it looks pretty doggone good. Okay, so now we're going to put the head back on. So I did get the head gasket kit in, and we're going to see what all's in that. Okay, so this is basically an upper end gasket kit. You get all your gaskets, you get a bunch of O-rings, you get your cam seal, your valve seals, which the valve seals and the cam seals in that are fine. Most of the O-rings, like you have all the little O-rings. Let's go ahead and open this. Now, once this is open, you can't return it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this thing up. Like I say, you got your valve seals, which the valve seals are fine. And you have your cam seal. So that comes with it. You get your head bolts. You of course have your valve cover gasket. All your little O-rings. Just a bunch of random O-rings. So you got that. And these are for your exhaust flange gaskets. You have your upper and your lower intake gasket. You have your exhaust gasket. And your MLS head gasket as well. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this up. This is actually from a place called Parts Wizard, Car Parts Wizard, off of Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description just in case you're needing an upper end gasket kit. So what we need right now is the bolts, and we need the head gasket, and we'll go back over here and we'll put this on. We need to be real careful, but we'll go ahead and we'll cut this open. Oh yeah, wow. That thing looks beautiful. That thing is amazing. And it goes this way. So, get that lined up. Then we will go and get the cylinder head. We'll grab it and take it over here. And then we'll set it on here. Line it up just right. And of course, we take the head bolts, pull them out of the package, drop them down in here. Take our specialty 52 millimeter. This isn't really a Torx bit. This is actually a head bolt tool. Okay, I'm not putting any pressure on this. I'm just sort of tightening them down just to get them sort of into place. First stage is 30 pounds. So you also want to make sure you're following the sequence. And then you want to do this is number 3, and then number 4, and then number 5. And then 6, and then 7, EP.8. And then 9. And then 10. Okay, that is step 1. Okay, step 2 is 90 degrees. First set, you start with number 1 at the bottom. 90 degrees. Okay, and now for the third step, you want to do another 90 degrees. Now that that's done, got the head bolts tightened, head gasket on. Like I say, that looks like a really good quality gasket. So, and it's heavy and it's thick. So now we're going to put the valve cover on. Which, yes, I got a new valve cover gasket, so I'm going to use that. Oh, I do need to get my other stud here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the battery died on the camera, but I did go ahead and I did finish putting some stuff together. I still need to paint this. I need to get another bolt for that. I need to get an upper intake manifold and another throttle body. The throttle body is going to be the neon green, and then the intake, the upper and lower intake, is going to be in the purple. The bolts will be the neon green, of course, and I think that'll kind of break it up enough and it'll look pretty good. So anyways, the motor mount still needs clear coated, so I still have that to do. But for the most part, I just wanted to kind of put it the rest of the way together so that you could kind of see, like, up to this point, what it looks like. I did get the head bolt tightening sequence in here, so don't forget that it is 30 on the first go round, 30 pounds on the first go round, and then it will be 90 degrees on the second go round, and then another 90 degrees on the third go round. But anyways, that's not exactly what this video was for, but I did want to put that in there to make sure that if you do need to know, then you know. So anyways, I'll give you a close-up of the engine, and then you know, you can kind of let me know what you think of it in the comment section. That'd be great. So anyways, like I say, I'm going to do this in the purple, but I will get a new one. So anyways, just kind of wanted to show you a little bit more close up. And of course, this doesn't look nearly as good not being clear coated, but I'll get to that. So anyways, there it is. Like I say, you can let me know what you think about it, the color scheme and everything. Let me know in the comments. You know, if you like it, don't like it. I mean, that's fine. It's kind of got a I don't know, pretty cool vibe, if you ask me. I like it. So anyways, I sure appreciate you guys watching, and I hope y'all have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.